everybody. Welcome to Cold Creek Nurseries. My name is Christina, and today I'm here to talk to you a little bit about citrus. We have an entire citrus grove practically in our greenhouse just waiting for you, with all sorts of different varieties of citrus, from kumquats to grapefruit. Today I'm going to talk to you about lemons. We have 4 different varieties of lemons that we sell here at Cold Creek, and we sell them in a variety of different sized pots. So the first one that we have is this one. It's called a Harvey lemon. And this is your basic grocery store commercial lemon. So what you're buying in the grocery store is basically probably a Harvey lemon. It's the most common commercially grown lemon out there. Next, you have a variegated pink lemon. And this one is really cool because it's actually a spontaneous mutation that was discovered in the 30s in California. And it's got 2 really distinct characteristics. It's got really great variegation on the leaves. So you have these really pretty green and white leaves. And then the lemons themselves are pink. So when you open the flesh, you have this really cool pink flesh lemon. It's tailor-made for pink lemonade. Next, you have the popular Meer Lemon. And this is a sweet lemon. It's the one that pastry chefs like to use. It's used commonly in desserts and anything that sort of has that, it's still a lemon, so it has that tart flavor to it, but it's got just this really nice sort of aftertaste of sweetness that gives it a really complex and nuanced taste. And here we are back in the retail greenhouse with the promised big daddy of them all, the Ponderosa. Ponderosa is a cross hybrid between a lemon and a citron, and they are bred specifically for size. So you can see that is a lemon. It's probably as big as some people's heads, but it is definitely a lemon. So and people like the Ponderosas for their size, and that's why they get these big ones. So in terms of sort of care, all these lemons are basically going to like the same thing. They like it hot, they like lots of sun, and they like to be mostly dry. And they like a good feeding with a citrus stone every now and then. So we hope you have a good time with your lemons. If you have any questions or any interest in getting some, just come on down and we'll be happy to help you. And happy growing. Thank you.